Greetings, folks, and welcome to this Lawyers for Learners short video on rental housing rights. This one in particular is knowing about your rights with respect to repairs. Sometimes we call those maintenance issues, unsafe issues, untenantability, uninhabitability. There's a lot of words, but basically we're talking about if your home is in need of repair, that's what this video is going to cover. My name is Mitch. I'm a clinical law professor at the University of Wisconsin Law School and the director of the Neighborhood Law Clinic. So, you've got rights. You have the right to live in a safe and healthy home, whether that's an apartment all on its own, a townhome, an apartment complex with hundreds or dozens of units. You have a right to a safe and healthy home. That means that you have a right to get things fixed and repaired that came with your unit. So some issues might not seem like they're immediately related to your health and safety. For example, let's say that you've got a broken heating system, or potentially you have an air conditioner that runs so loudly it causes poor sleep. These are issues that you can bring up to a building owner because they do speak to health. Obviously, if you're freezing cold or you can't get to sleep because of the equipment that came with your building, those are things that are going to impact your health and safety and your ability to enjoy the apartment that you're living in. So you have a right to get those things fixed. And we're going to talk about in a next video how you may be able to proceed with the specific steps to take if you find yourself in need of some repairs. One thing, though, that I really want to make clear is that you can only withhold rent in the state of Wisconsin if you get some type of order, either through a building inspector or from a court. So a lot of places outside of Wisconsin, you may be legally able to withhold rent. In the state of Wisconsin, if you withhold rent, you might find yourself facing an eviction. Look to the short video about steps to take for what to do if you'll find yourself in a home that is in need of repair. I appreciate you tuning in. There are some more resources here if this video or the future video on steps to take when you're in need of a repair don't answer your question. You can reach out to one of these wonderful resources to hopefully get some help or assistance with your right to a safe and habitable home. Thanks so much for tuning in.